work in the automotive industry, odds are your hands have probably been covered in grease just like this before. Well, here at Grip Clean, we have been washing our hands with all types of substances over the last few years using our products, which is exactly why I want to give you guys my top tips on how to clean your hands in one wash. Let's go. All right, so hot tip number one, before washing your hands and wasting all your soap, I always like to get a paper towel and wipe as much grease off as you can before you start, so you can also avoid rinsing it all down the drain. Next, you're gonna wanna apply the soap of your choice to your hands. I enjoy containers that have a little lever like this so that you can use your elbow to dispense it, so you're not continually touching it with your greasy hands. Step 3 would be adding the soap to your hands. Now, I do not like to add water at this point. Some of the industrial hand cleaners out there actually work better without water, so I like to try to clean as much as I can before adding a little bit of water. And build up a really good lather by rubbing your hands together as quickly as possible. Add a little bit more. If you need to, add a little bit more water as needed, and you can see the lather start to build up. Now we can begin to work. First, I like to rub my palms to get the inside of my hand on both sides, as well as each finger. You want to make sure you get in between each finger crevice here on both hands, not forgetting about your thumb. A lot of people forget about the inside of your thumb right here. Now we continue working our way down towards the back side of the knuckles. Next, we're going to work our way all the way up to the finger cuticles. This is where a lot of grease and grime gets left behind and can really leave your hands looking nasty. So you want to spend a lot of time getting in and around your fingernails to try to get it all out. Now again, these cuticles are some of the hardest areas to clean. I always recommend keeping a scrub brush around. It really helps to dive in there and get into those nooks and crannies. Now it's not required, it is just an added accessory, so if you guys are washing your hands all the time, this is a great addition. Next up, I'm gonna go for my wrist cuffs, way down here. So I'm gonna get my wrists and my forearms, and I'm pretty much gonna go up as high as I need to onto my arms to try to get every last bit of that grease off. All right, and last, we're gonna go for the rinse. Let's go for it. Just like that, we were able to get all of that grease and grime off of my hands in one wash. So thank you for checking out the video. Follow all these tips and tricks to get the best use out of the hand cleaner that you guys are using. Be sure to check our products here at Grip Clean. We make the absolute best hand cleaner for grease and grime, and it is highly moisturizing as we use all natural ingredients, so it's guaranteed to not dry and crack out your skin. Check us out at gripclean.com.